So it's nearly midnight. We're going to Yogyakarta railway station. There we go. This is Yogyakarta railway station. We're going to be catching a train to Malang at midnight 50. So I'm just going to do a bit of video of the railway station and a bit of video on the train. Let's see there's a train here as well. Looks like an old shanter.
Malang. Street number 2, platform number 3.
Oh, here?
Yes, 3.
So our train, I don't think it's on the screen as yet. Anyway, this is the station. So let's explore, let's have a look around. There's a train down there. I think this is a different platform. Maybe these are the local trains, I'm not sure. Hardly anyone around at this time. Oh, there's something coming in down there. Just a local. Quite high platforms they have. And you got on there Yogyakarta or Yogyakarta. I'm not sure what's the best way how to say that. We have loads of ATMs here if you need to withdraw money. Local cafe. Unfortunately, everything seems to be shut this time. This is the temperature, 30 degrees. I think it's supposed to get here at probably about midnight, and it leaves at midnight 50. We've booked 2 seats in executive. I will write down here the price, because I don't remember how much I paid for it. I think it was about 25 British pounds each, pretty much. So you got 2 directions, Jakarta that way, which is 512 kilometers, and then you've got Malang, which is where we're gonna go, 391 kilometers. So I'm going to be filming later when the train pulls in. Everything looks quiet here. Very, very safe. There was a few people hanging around outside the station, but I would say overall Indonesia is a very safe country, so you don't have to worry about nothing, even if you go around at this time in the night. There are a couple of shops down there that I can see still opened. Probably sell water, snacks. See, the train has come up. Midnight 56, Malang. That's our train. So it should be coming in shortly. Platform 3. There we go, Malang. So we need to walk fast. I think we're in the first carriage. She's right down there. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Carriage number 1. So you got a nice cover here. Which is this one here, very good quality. I think that is the conductor. Thank you. We are in Malang. Finally, we made it. Morning.
Posisinya sudah berpindah ataupun terbuka di dalam kereta. Untuk pengetahuan Anda bisa menggunakan akses melalui